Well folks, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is the new cocktail Estate Hold Up, which is appearing on Local Women and our YouTube page, which is Millside Kitchen. So it's called the Estate Hold Up. It's with vodka, Aperol, fresh squeezed lime juice. This is just pineapple juice. This is sugar syrup. It's in a wine bottle because we use that much of it. And this is just your passion fruit liqueur. So it's 50ml vodka, then all these ingredients here, these four are all 15ml. So 15ml Aperol, 15 lime, 15 pineapple, and 15 sugar syrup. And then the last is your passion fruit liqueur, or your passion fruit syrup, which is only 10ml. So add that in. Add ice and vinegar. So now that's shooting. Add ice to your rocks bar. And then strain. Folks, we're also doing a deal. When you're paying your food bill at the end of the night, show you're subscribed to the Millside Kitchen channel to get 20% off your food bill. It's not including your drinks, it's only the food. Add the straw, and then garnish with a lime wheel, and also a pineapple wedge, sorry. And there you go folks, that's the Estate Hold Up. Enjoy.